Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC TV 18. We spoke about the equity markets, the macros as well, global markets also. So it's time to talk all about commodities. Manisha Gupta is joining us this morning to tell us all about the commodity space moves. Hey, Manisha, good morning.
Sonal, thank you so much for that. Well, it's a solid green on my screen when I look at commodities. This is especially after the U.S. Fed meeting yesterday, where we have seen 25 basis point rate hike as expected, and a slightly dovish statement from Jeremy Powell also has pulled down the U.S. dollar index, very supportive for gold and various other commodities as well. So the gold prices now have surged past $1,950 an ounce. We did see a high of $1,969 in the overnight markets, and I'm assuming once the Indian markets open, we are going to hit an all-time high yet again in case of gold prices. Silver also taking a lot of support, so we could be back above that 70,000 rupees per kg mark for silver as well. Some profit-taking and decline is what we started yesterday night in sense of crude oil prices. 3% of decline overnight, but in the Asian markets, 0.5% of gain is how that one is trading as well. The OPEC and allies meeting yesterday has kept the crude production steady, so that is out of the way. The U.S. Fed meeting has had its impact. What is bothering the crude is that there are still higher Russian crude exports which continue into the market. And the second thing is the higher than expected U.S. inventories at 4.14 million. Markets were anticipating just about 500,000 of a rise. So this is way many times higher, and that's what's weighing onto the prices right now.
Okay, all right. So looking good for gold. Crude prices are lower overnight. Manisha, thank you so much for giving us that lowdown. But of course, we'll also look at the equity markets because SGX Nifty is indicating a downtick of around 112 points for our own market. So important trading day ahead for all of you. With that, we'll wrap on this edition of Power Breakfast. Do stay tuned. Bazaar Morning Call comes up next and we'll take all the action forward.